Are you looking to elevate your skincare routine? Then this pink Himalayan salt soap bar is a great addition with spa-like experience right at home. Welcome to Kajol Cosmetics. Hi, I'm Kajol. Today we are going to see how to make spa-like soap with pink Himalayan salt. These soap bars are visually appealing but also offers great exfoliation properties for skin. Let's get started to make our pink Himalayan salt soap bar. For this formulation, we only need 3 ingredients. I am choosing Shea-butter soap base for its creamy lather. You can choose any other bases available. And next, for exfoliation benefit, I am choosing pink Himalayan salt. For the refreshing spa-like scent, I am using orange essential oil here. Now, we are chopping the soap base into small chunks because the soap base can melt down easily. We are going to make totally a 100 gram batch. I am going to measure my soap base using a digital scale. Totally, I am adding 89 grams of Shea-butter soap base here. Now, we are going to melt this soap base using a double boiler method. This is the double boiler setup. You can see the soap base takes at least 2 to 3 minutes to melt down completely. You can also melt the soap base using microwave oven with 30-second burst, but for the demonstration purpose, I am showing double boiler method here. Now, I am stirring the soap base so the soap base can get melted easily. Now you can see the soap base is melting, but there is little clumps forming in it. So, I am stirring with my spoon evenly. You can see the soap base gets melted completely. Now, we are going to add pink Himalayan salt. I am adding 10 grams of pink Himalayan salt here. For the refreshing scent, I am adding 1 gram of orange essential oil and mixing out it evenly. Now, we are going to pour the soap batter into the mold. I am going to decorate this soap top with pink Himalayan rock salt. You can decorate it with rose petals or your choice. To match the pink Himalayan salt theme, I am decorating it with pink Himalayan rock salt. After 30 minutes, you can unmold this soap and use it right away. I am letting the soap set for 30 minutes now. After 30 minutes, now we can unmold this soap. You can see how beautiful it turned out and smells so refreshing. Now you can turn your bathroom into spa heaven by this soap bar. If you find this video helpful, give a like and share my video and subscribe my channel. Happy formulating. I have attached a close-up shot. Thank you.